What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today is the day. It's been about a week or so, and it is time to do the follow-up for the Whitestone Dome privacy screen. Let's do it. So I've used the privacy glass for about a week or so now, and I'm back to tell you guys that it is a solid screen protector. I do a lot of heavy media consumption on this device. I do a lot of typing on this device. I do a lot of video editing and things of that nature on this device. The privacy glass has not hindered that in any way, but this has been a great privacy screen, guys. You turn it to the side, everything almost just basically disappears. People cannot see what's going on. It disappears. Flip it that way, it disappears. So people are not going to be able to see what is going on your device when you actually have this enabled or when you have this installed. It's a great glass though. I mean, I did this about a week ago. I've had no issues with the pencil, nothing, no lagging. Writing is actually great. It's still smooth. It's still fluid. This screen protector is not hindering your writing experience in any kind of way. When you're actually doing multimedia, you're doing videos, you still get the exact same clarity that you would in any other type of setting or any other screen. Now, I will tell you, if you're sitting to the side of your own device, you will have some issues, but basically this is what you're gonna get. Now, please excuse those fingerprints, but that's what you're going to get when you add this screen protector to your device. You get that privacy. You get the level of privacy where nobody's going to be able to see your device unless you want them to actually see it. So it's basically like, now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you see me, now you don't. So it's a solid buy, guys. If you're really into privacy and having you a great privacy screen on your device, this is going to be the one to get. So I'm going to drop a link below to the Whitestone Dome screen, privacy screen. Remember, privacy screen. It's anti-scratch. It's 9H hardness. You got bilateral privacy, one touch enable. So it's actually going to be a good device to get for that privacy screen. Now, I have not tried other privacy screens. So guys, if you have one from another company, drop me a link below. I'll go and check that out, and maybe we can see how that turns out as well. But for right now, this is what I'm rocking. Whitestone screen, privacy screen for my iPad Pro 11. I'll be sure to leave that link below so you can go and check it out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.